Indaba zesiNdebele sikubikela zona ukusuka emzimkhulu we-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Our goal is clear: to reduce crime and build safer communities for all.
Imbalobalo zobulelesi ziveza ukuthi behlile ubulelesi egodeni yesibili.
Ngibridgide ya and then bangibuza ukuthi ngabridge ngangibridgeanga into nje bengithenge bafaneni.
Mijeje ngemjeje endaweni eziningi zokuzihlolisa ngobutsha ingigubho zegezi kanti abaningi ngilabo ebebangathengi igezi ngokomthetho.
If you think we have a divisive leadership, it's not our baby, it's your baby to feed.
Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uqinisekisa amalunga wehlangano yakhe ngokuthi ihlangano le akunala iyakhona yeke amalunga wehlangano le angeke angathuka. Siyakwamukela indabeni zesiNdebele lapha kwe-SABC 1 akwande mzumkhulu. Imbalobalo zobulelesi buveza ukuthi behlile ubulelesi egodeni yesibili. Kufaka hlangana ubulelesi bokubulala, ukugada, ukugqekeza emzini. Nanyana kunjalo ongqongqothe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu uthi basalisana nobulelesi obuhleliweke obufaka hlangana abafuna imali ngokuthelisa ngokungekho emthethweni.
Amapholisa athazimisela ukulwisana nawo wonke umhlobo wobulelesi. Kufaka hlangana nokulwisana nezenzo zobulelesi bokuhloriswa kwabomma nabantwana. Ukubulala, ukulinga ukubulala. Inanda Police Station KwaZulu-Natal ngebonakala idosa phambili ngokugadangisa amacala amaningi abikiwe kobulelesi esifundeni esi wezehlakalo zokubulala. Ilandelwa yiPhilippi East Police Station eChingalanga Kapa. Kube yiKwaZakhele Police Station edosa phambili ngokubikwa kwamacala amaningi ePumalanga Kapa.
We had 77 rapes that had taken place at school and 13 of the rapes that had taken place at school. Then we also had 15 of the rapes taking place at the tertiary institutions, then 8 at daycare center and 6 at specialized schools.
Nakusinjalo, ungqongqothe wamapholisa uthwenyekile ngobulelesi obukhinya bezomnotho. Nokuthi solo akukhanya ukuthi mangaki amazama asesengemathunjini wephasi emayini yeStilfontein.
It's one thing to stand on top and then you get told, hey, you see from here, where we are here, where we are, hey, you might go up to whatever, up to Jamestown and so on from here.
Ikhothe ephakemeko ePitori isiragile isibawo esifakwe ihlangano Society for the Protection of Our Constitution esimalungana nabamayina ngokungemthetho eStilfontein bona banikelwe isizwe elihabako. Esahlulweni esiphume namhlanje ikhothe ifumene bona akunafakazi okuveza bona indlela uhulumende aphendula ngayo indaba le ayitshengisa ukungabi nezwelo.
Ihlangano libe ifuna umyalo wekhotho ukugcina ngemva koba ikhotho ikhuphe umyalo wesikhatshana othi kuvula umgodi wemayini abavaleleke ngemgodini kufanele bona bavunyelwe ukuphuma bekodwa abantu engasingebesize lihabako akufanele bangene ngemgodini emayini. Ihlangano iSociety for the Protection of Our Constitution ebekela phambili ukuvikela, ukusekela kunye nokukhuthaza abantu ngomthethosisekelo ithethe indaba le yayisekhotho ngombani iqhaphutho lestatement sikangqongqothe weofisi kaMengameli uKhumbuzo Ntshavheni. Hlangana nokhunye uNtshavheni waveza bona abantu abasemathunjini omhlaba emayini Stilfontein bazokukhutshwa ngekani ngemgodini bese bayabotshwa nokuthi akunasiza bazoluvumana ngombani abazinilelisi. Ihlangano li esibayweni sayo yathi lokho kuphikisana nelungelo lokuphila elisencwadini umthethosisekelo welizweni. Umnyango wezamapholisa kunye nowezenjiwa embaweni unganye ngelithi sirahi isibawo sehlangano li njengombana kunganabufakazi obuveza bona kuphula amalungelo obuntu.
It is worth mentioning that on Friday was a note that was sent by the illegal miners saying there are approximately 500 illegal miners underneath and 300 of them they are unwell. They also requested more food. Some of the people who resurfaced had indicated that they had been held against their will and were basically forced to stay there.
Isekela likakomishara wamapholisa esifundeni liqinisekise ukuphuma kwamanye amazamazama ngemgodini.
We have 1,259 illegal miners who have since resurfaced without government getting into phase 3. That is the rescue itself.
Amazamazama amaningi aphuma ngokusebenzisa umgodi iMargaret Shaft okumgodi osemthethweni.
Eskom ungezelele isikhathi sokuhlolisa ngobutsha ingubhe zegezi. Kanti Mjeje isaragela phambili endaweni eziningi njengoba abantu abaningi kuba abantu ebebathenga igezi ngokungemthetho.
Le ntombi endala isho kahle ukuthi cha yona ibiwuthenga ugesi kodwa ibingawuthengi la kumele uthenge khona. Biwulande bafana.
Athi kusho ukuthi ngibridgeile. Yeah. And then mangibuza ukuthi ngathi bridge ngangibridgeanga into nje bengithenge bafaneni bengawuthenga ugesi elento lenini bengithenge bafaneni.
Ezinye izakhamuzi zithi ugesi uyebiwayo yonke indawo ngakho uma khona ozama ukuzenza muhle phambi kweEskom akhokhe yena bona bebe untshontsha lo uhlangana nembila ayithutha ngoba usuke ezenza ngcono phambi kwesikhulu ngesiphehla ugesi.
Sibridgeile sonke also wethu yonke sibridgeile. Wahlala wena wangabridge siyayibhomba indlu yakho.
Nibhombelani manje?
Angituzenza uklevu nemali.
Hayi bo mama. Laba ke bathi basifunde kahle isifundo ngalomkhuba wobubhodla ugesi mahala. Sazotsipa.
Angeke mntanami. Ngeke sesibonile usenze.
Isifundo.
Ngeke
ngiyayisola.
Sesola mntanami asila.
iEskom izobahlawulisa bonke labantu abebeuphamba bedla amandla awo mahala beyibhubhudlela ugesi. Inkulungwane eziyisithupha ikhanda lendoda. Bakhalile ke abantu bathi cha babhuqwa ububa. Lesikhungo sathi kulungile hlawulani ngama500 inyanga nenyanga ukuze kuphele icala lini. Babe sebekhonjwa ngomunye kwathiwa naphinda nje nabanjwa nenza icala lokudla amandla eEskom ningakhokhi nizohlala ebumnyameni. Bathi ke bazwile abantu ngeke baphinde bagcweleze iEskom. Igama lami nguCalvin wakwadludla endabeni zeSABC nibika kuseGoli.
Nakusenjalo izakhamuzi zembombela eMpumalanga zisaheme ngaphandle kwama-ofisi weEskom ngethemba lokufumana isizo ngokuhlolisa ngobutsha ingubhe zabo zegezi. Izakhamuzi eziningi zinemraro eminingi efaka hlangana ingubhe ezingasebenziko nokubhalelwa kufaka igezi. Ezinye izakhamuzi zihlawulisa 6500 ngokugaladwa iEskom ngokusebenzisa igezi ngokungasisemthethweni.
Itolo ngithenge igezi beungangeni lo gezi bathi ngifike namuhla la ekseni ngifikile ekseni 5 o'clock solo simile lapha abasithi ngalutho nasithi siyabuta bathi isystem ayisebenzi namuhla ukuthi bangashintshela ukuthi le scoop lomlilo ungene
kuthi leti group ekhe bangathi tshintsha but without ukuthi kubhadaliswe abantu imali because most abantu abasebenzi uyakubona and labo 6000 nabo 12000 asathi sibomalini abacharge yona la kaEskom.
Upatience Magwiro iminyaka ema-30 nethoba ubudala uthi unethemba lokuba na uzokufumana isizo uthi uthenga indlu wafumana bona umnikazi wendlu leyo waphambilini nento ayenzileko esigubheni segezi.
So now I'm here with the crime I didn't commit because I was paying my electricity to my previous landlord. So now I'm owning the house. Now I'm in big mess.
iEskom ingezelela isikhathi sokuzihlolisa ngobutsha salaba ngabhadaliko. Nanyana kunjalo iEskom isifundeni seMpumalanga akhange itholakale ukuthi iphendule mayelana nendaba le.
Umholi weEFF uJulius Malema uthi ihlangano le akunala yakhona. Yeke amalunga wehlangano le angakhe angathukana kancane. Malema utsho lokhu nabe kakhulumisana nembiki indaba ngemva kokuhlola ubujame Nasrek ngaphambi kokubanjwa kweconference yokukhethwa kobuholi obutsha behlangano le ngoNobayeni.
FF uJulius Malema nezinye imphathimandla bavakatshele Nasrek ukuyokuhlola ubujamo ngaphambi kweconference yokukhetha ubuholi obutsha behlangano yeEFF eyokubanjwa ngoNobayeni ngemva kwalokho bakhulumisana nembiki indaba. uMalema uthi amalunga wehlangano le akanabudlelwano neMK party.
We have no relationship with MKP. And even worse now when MKP has made it its program to recruit leaders of the EFF.
uMalema uziphayile insolo zokuthi ilunga lehlangano le uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi ujanyisiwe kuye conference yokukhetha ubuholi obutsha behlangano le. Uthi lezi sezinto abantu abazithomela zona.
We don't respond to gossip. Otherwise, we'll spend all our lives. Tomorrow they say national chair, we must release a statement. Hey, we must release a statement. When you wake up in the morning, Lian, what is the gossip saying today? Yeah, write something. No.
uMalema ungezelele ngokuthi usajamile emagameni akhe wokuthi umengameli walokho uJacob Zuma ukhohlakele.
President Zuma is corrupt. And it's not me. The public protector found him to be wrong.
Umalema uthi amalunga angakathabi ngendlela aphethe ngayo ihlangano le akenza kufunako.
If you think we have a divisive leadership, it's not our baby. It's your baby to feed.
I-conference yokukhethwa kobuholo obutsha be-EFF izokubanjwa mhla amalanga ali-13 bekube mhla amalanga ali-16 kuNobayeni Nazareth eJohannesburg.
Nasibuya entolo.
Many child pregnancies are the result of rape and sexual abuse.
Lihlonywe ngokusemthethweni ijima lokukhalima izenzo zokukhahlunyezwa kwabomma nabantwana. Indaba zisekhona lapha nazikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, ku X na ku TikTok na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Njengombana kuthoma ijima lamalanga ali-16 lokukhanyilinywa kwezenzo zokukhahlunyezana ngokubulili nje amalunga weParlamente abe nenkulumo-mpikiswano ngokuthwelela kwezenzo zokukhahlunyezwa ngokubulili nokulwa kwabomma. Umongo wenkulumo-mpikiswano yanonyaka bewuthi sithwaya iminyaka ema-30 yentando yeningi yamalungelo wabomma nokukhuthaza ibumbano ekuqedeni izenzo zokukhahlunyezana ngokubulili.
Ungqongqotjhe waboma ilutsha nabantu abaphila nokukhubazeka uSindiswa Chikunga uvula inkulumo-mpikiswano le ngokuveza izinga lemguruguru eyenziwa kuboma nabantwana.
Honorable members, the scale of violence and femicide against women and girls is staggering. Data gathered by UN Women from at least 161 countries reveals that an estimated 736 million women have been subjected to physical and or sexual intimate partner violence.
Amalunga weParlamente nawo avele ngaphambili aphosela wawo bodlana kule nkulumo-mpikiswano yokukhahlumezana ngokobulili, ukubulawa kwaboma nokukhukuthiswa kwabantwana.
Over 8,000 children were victims of sexual offenses, and more than 13,000 children were reported as assaulted. Moreover, incidents of child trafficking are on the rise, with children making up 60% of trafficking victims in South Africa.
GBV includes physical, sexual, psychological, and economic abuse, and it often manifests in intimate partner violence, domestic violence, rape, sexual harassment, and even harmful traditional practices.
Year after year, we flash statistics, and the ruling elite makes hollow commitments to the fight against embedded violence against women in this country.
Amalunga weParlamente ababantu bembaji nawafakazile ngokuthwelela kokukhahlunyezwa kwaboma nabantwana.
Isekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile uthi kufuneka kulisane nezehlakalo zokukhahlunyezana ngokobulili umnyaka wonke. Ingasiko amalanga ali-16 kwaphela. uMashatile bekakhuluma eRustenburg lapho bekuhlonywa khona ngokusemthethweni ijima lamalanga ali-16 lokulwisana nezehlakalo zokuthoriswa kwabomma nabantwana.
Ijima lamalanga ali-16 lokulwisana nezehlakalo zokukhahlunyezwa kwabomma nabantwana lihlanganisa yonke imikhakha yomphakathi ukuthi ibambisane ngehlangothini lezenzo zokukhahlunyezana ngokobulili kunye nokubulawa kwabantu bengubo. Ijimeli ligandelela ukuthi abantu bachugulule indlela yokwenza kunye nenkolelo ezithwelelisa izehlakalo zokukhahlunyezana ngokobulili nokubulawa kwabomma. uMashatile uthi ukuzithwala kwabantwana abangaphasi kweminyaka yobudala kutshengisa ukwehla kwezinga lokuziphatha.
We must understand that child pregnancies do not happen in a vacuum. They are the result of deep-rooted socio-economic, cultural, and educational issues. Many child pregnancies are the result of rape and sexual abuse.
uMashatile uthi akaneli ukulwisana nezehlakalo zokulwa kwaphela kodwa kufanele zikhandelwe.
We must have zero tolerance towards gender violence in online and digital spaces. The rise of the digital economy and the increasing use of technology in our daily life have introduced new avenues for perpetrators to harm, exploit, and abuse women and children.
Ungqongqothe wabomma nabantu abatsha kunye nalabo abaphila ngokukhubazeka uSindisiwe Jukunga uthi abantu abanengi bengubo babhalelwa ukuphuma ngaphakathi kobudlelwane lapha abakhahlumezwa khona ngonobangela wokuthi abantu ababakhahlumezako ngibo ababondlako.
Kanekhasini lethu leFacebook siba umbono wakho ngendima elinywa lijima lokukhalima izenzo zokukhahlumezwa kwabomma nabantwana. Nakumbono wakho uyelandela mbukeli.
Lokha umkhanelwa abanjwa abonyana uhlukumeza umntwana namkha umuntu esifazana uyathathwa isandla somthetho benze ngaye isibonelo emphakathini ukuthi bathathe amahlelo la serious.
Ngibona usebenza kakhulu lo mthetho ngoba kulezi inyanga nje esibuzo ngibona kuhle kakhulu ukuhlukunyezwa kwabantu besifazane nabantwana.
Hayi mina ngibona kusanzima ngempela. Uyabona lento yokuhlukumezwa kwengane nabantu besifazane ayikakapheli nje enhloko.
Kudala kuthethwa ngalamaphulo akude kwenzeke into kusekube wesi xa kufika lamaxesha okuhlukunyezwa komama kunye nabantwana.
Ngathi liyabathinta ukuthi bahlukunyezwe mkhasha lenza umehluko.
Ingase ibe kanti izawuthendwa ikhutshwe ingabi into nje yelixesha ngalincinci.
Umbono ngembukeli ye-SABC ayizukuthwesa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Ikomishini yezokulingana ngokobulili ikhombele ukuthi kuqiniswe imigomo yokulingana ngokobulili yabomma ekorweni yezokuthengisa endleleni. Lokho njengoba kunokuthwenyeka ngokubhalelwa kwakamasipalata lokuba nensombululo ekuhlayelweni kwezisetshenziswa zabomma nabantu abakhubazekileko.
Ikomishini yezokulingana ngokobulili ikhombele ukuthi kuqiniswe imigomo yokulingana ngokobulili yabomma ekorweni yezokuthengisa endleleni. Lokho njengoba kunokuthwenyeka ngokubhalelwa kwakamasipalata lo kuba nensombululo ekuhlayelweni kwezisetshenziswa zabomma nabantu abakhubazekileko.
The city has not provided interim measures it has in place to address the issue of ablution facilities, taking in consideration that the municipality has a constitutional and statutory mandate to provide basic water and sanitation to its citizens.
Ungezelele ngelithi akakeneliseki nangamahlela alethwe ngumasipalata wedorobha leTshwane malungana nokuvikela ngokwaneleka abomma ezenzweni zokukhahlunyezwa ngokobulili. Nakaziphendulelako umasipalata weTshwane uthe batsho yena uzibophelele ekuvikeleni abomma.
The stalls which are being constructed by the city, they do make provision for ablution facility. There's no trading facility without an ablution facility. And what I said is that there might be a challenge like Sonsville. I'm aware of that the ablution facilities, I mean, they need maintenance.
Kodwa ikomishini le akenge kuzwe kuhle lokhu.
Give us concrete examples, concrete responses. A classic, I'm so glad you came in. A response was exactly what you say. We have a gender desk. We don't want that answer. If that gender desk was functioning, women would not be going to Salzburg station to go and pee or change the sanitary pads.
Ikomishini le iveze nentshijilo ezimaphorotho eziqalene nabosomabhizinisi ababoma ekubalwa kizo ukungakhona ukufumana isizo ngemali, ukubhalelwa kufumana amaphemithi nokuhlayelelwa lilwazi elinabileko ngemithetho ekufuze ilandelwe.
Nasiphosa ilihlo kezemali, iranda liyabokaboka nalingathana ezinye imali ezikulu. Njenganje asikhambe siyokuqala kuKwekwezi FM zibuya nabazumbona baphethe ziphi namhlanje. Akwande sibu lihlonyiwe ijima lamalanga ali-16 lokulwisana nezehlakalo zokuhlorisa kwabomma nabantwana. Nina niphethe ziphi ngapho?
Siyathokoza Cedric Silotshisa umbukeli. Mbala ke lihlonyiwe ijima lihlonywe lapha eNorthwest lihlonywa lisekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile. Umnyango wezefundo lapha eMpumalanga uthi ayingenziwa iminyanya yokuthi abafundi lokha nabaqeda ukuhlola batsho benza iminyanya nasebizwa ngokuthi ma-Penstown kunamaphandle abotshiweko lapha esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal ngokungalandeli imithetho landela ukuthi umengameli amemezela ukuthi abanikazi bentolo abatlolise intolo zabo nabomasipala. Ngizo-ke indaba esiziphetheko enambama namhlanje, sithokoza ithuba.
Siyaloshisa khaya ngomvula sicalele ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu nakhe umoya omakhaza uchingedela lapha endaweni yeKapa. Amathuba wezulu ayi-30% phakathi nenarha yeSouth Africa, nge-60% kileza ndawo zabo Gauteng. Kuthindeke khulu-ke nalapha-ke kancancazana isifunda sangaleke ngaKwaZulu-Natal. Kuthi lapha-ke phakathi nendawo godu silithole nge-60%, kuthindeke khulu isifunda sangaleke nge-Eastern Cape. Kanti-ke ngale uthi uyaqala uthole lapha nge-30%. Sithole lapha isilemukiso sezulu elikhulu kilezi ndawo kusuke ePitori kwehlela njalo uchinge lapha-ke endaweni zakubo-Durban nomoya-ke onamandla ngakulesa sifunda. Kanti-ke lapha ihonakalo yomlilo wemango kubo-Uppington, kanti-ke kunomoya eBloemfontein nezulu elikhulu ngapha ngakubo-Durban. Abantu abatsheje bayelele siyakusuduka ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ubone amazinga okutshisa. Iyatshisa hle isifunda sangapha ngeGauteng, kuthi lapha ePitori nge-32 ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ungalithola-ke liduma. Lapha eLimpopo nakhona litshisa kukhulu endaweni eziningi kubo-Phalaborwa nge-38, lapha eMosina nge-37. Kuthi-ke kezinye indawo kancancazana amathuba wezulu akhona. Impumalanga nayo iyatshisa ngaphambi kokuthi kezinye indawo zalapha kubo-Standard 10 litholakale izulu, kanti-ke kutshisa nge-33. Esifundeni sangaleke ngaKwaZulu-Natal siyalibona-ke nakhona lizokutshisa ngaphambi kokuthi lidume, njengoba khe salibona kuthi nendawo lapho liza kuduma khona i-Eastern Cape, nayo-ke endaweni eziningi liyatshisa. Kuthi lapha-ke eGqeberha lipholile, kezinye indawo lifuthumele. I-Western Cape ibonakala-ke yona-ke itshisa kezinye indawo njengalapha eBeaufort West, kanti-ke lapha eCape Town lipholile njengoba sibone nomoya omakhaza. I-Northern Cape yona ibonakala ifuthumele, kukulapha eCalvinia la kuphole khona. I-Free State ibonakala-ke izoba nezulu ngaphambi kwalokho-ke nakhona kuzokutshisa ne-North West njalo kuzakutshisa ngaphambi kokuthi kutholakale izulu kezinye indawo. Sibonakala kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako. Dido.